They're taking classes, but I don't see any output. Yeah, I don't see an output. Match is underway. No, this just seems to be hand warmers right now.
My friend's watching Jeopardy.
Oh my god. What is the spiciest meat? What does that say?
Yeah. Who is the spiciest meat?
Oh god. What's in me?
Oh my god.
That's awful. That's round one. We got tags coming out. Easy money. Easy money. Here we go. We got Ices versus Fox. This could be really difficult for the Ices, depending on how well he plays here. This is losers round 4. The TonightWeFeast versus Bird.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
What are you looking for? Oh my god. In those like 2 seconds he lost Nana but got a stock off of Fox. He got him from 20% to 65% off stage and stock and only lost the Nana for it. Although that could mean his stock here, but if he gets percentage off then he's trading good value. Keeps going for the running grab, but it doesn't seem to be working out for him. Fox is just kind of jumping and getting rid of him. There it is. Up smash to secure the stock. That's a wobble. Stock 2, that's a wobble. Oh Lord, the humanity! Oh God! Oh God! He misses the grab for the Firefox back on stage. Misses the grab. Doesn't go for another wobble, but instead just tries to knock him off stage. He might get him this time. Although again, he loses Nana. But same as before, as long as he's getting value for his stocks. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. I take those here.
Yeah. I'm just trying to find high blue ones before I start us.
Those kind of get stuck in shield because of the Fox pressure, but seems he's turning that around right now. There's the grab, the up air. Does not kill, not a high enough percent. Air dodge back on the stage. Again with the air dodge back on the stage. The up smash secures the stock on Pogo. Now he's got 2 stocks versus Fox's 1. He's already got 58% on Fox. There's 66. We're going to see it. There's the wobble. Wobble on last stock. Ends game 1. TonightWeFeast taking game 1. Already in game 2, Bert's starting off aggressive. This full hop shine's trying to split up. He's about to get Nana off stage. It's a perfect play by him. Perfect play by Bert. 0% taken, but already took the Nana out of the equation. TonightWeFeast has been playing pretty well on Sopo, but it's hard to fight Sopo versus a Fox.
Oh, that's
Of course, this could all be turned around with like one or two well-placed wobbles on his next stop. There it is, 29% on the Fox, 4-3.
Beat him up.
You take those here. Oh, he's gonna get Nana off for the second time. He does not successfully gimp him off stage. Up air, good DI. Good down smash. There it is again. There's a stop. All right, it's still Sopo, but he's caught up a little bit in this situation. It's not a free win if you kill Nana. That just prevents him from being able to wobble for free kills on you. There's the up air, and it does kill. 6%.
Need some water. Yeah.
All right, dude. We don't have like headphones, so.
What?
We don't have headphones or anything, so I can't tell from loud.
It's okay. I tested it before. You should fine. Hold on. Not like that.
In my mouth, just like deep throat it. I can just like deep throat it. Like, that's how it works, right? I deep throat the mic. That's how it works. All right, that's too rude. There's the wobble. He's evening out the stock. 0%. 0% is going to be it unless he drops it. But he's not going to drop it. There's no way. That is the stock right here. Wow, savage. Disgusting. He's already trying to shine Nana off stage. He's doing a good job keeping Nana, but he's sacrificing a lot. There's a get-up attack. Oh, then Nana's back off stage again.
Oh, he has hair.
Every single stock has been Nana off stage first.
Bird versus TonightWeFeast. Yeah, you know what? Bird is very tech-heavy defensive fox, and TonightWeFeast is the definition of defense and one thing. Yeah, you know, not to be mean, but
it's a one trick. It really is.
No, we've had a couple of ice climbers come by here, and you know, I don't think that you can say that TonightWeFeast is a very neutral-heavy ice climbers. It really depends on people making mistakes in their advances.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's taken him as far as it has. And, you know, he only has up from here
Oh
to go.
my god, the wobble for the last stop that takes it. That's
Bird,
it.
no.
He takes the match.
No.
He takes the match.
Drop the wobble.
Oh my god, Bird was playing so well up till now. There it is. Oh my god, we take those here, unfortunately.